Are you doing a school project? Don't lose marks because of bad formatting. Let us get it ready in 5 easy steps. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to format a Word document with a specific focus on how to set up page margin, spacing, alignment, adding heading styles, create cover page, and insert page numbers. Let's get started and see how to do it. Let us now format the page margin by means of going to the menu bar, and then we choose layout. From the layout, we're going to choose margin, and then the type of margin that we want, it's the normal one. Let's choose normal. Right now it has changed the setup of our page in terms of the margin that we've chosen. Then the next formatting style is to choose the issue of the spacing. Let's go to the home ribbon and go to the paragraph group, and then we're going to go to line spacing and choose 1.5 lines. Okay, that is the spacing that we're choosing in terms of this particular assignment that we have in front of us. Okay, that is 1.5 lines. Okay, we are formatting our history project. Okay, right, when I scroll I can see that the spacing in between the lines is 1.5. okay, that is what we have done now in terms of the second time of formatting. Okay, the next one, now we're going to change all the headings, and then we want them to have a heading style. Okay, let's press on Control on our keyboard, and then click and drag to the right on our headings so that they are highlighted. Okay, you have clicked on the Control button on your keyboard. Don't leave it until you have highlighted all the headings that you want to change in terms of the heading style. Okay, right, I'm highlighting. Okay, click and drag to the right. Okay, let me scroll down and see if I still have some other headings to highlight. This is the next one. Then also this one, click and drag to the right, and then go to the heading. All right, we are choosing the style, the first one. Okay, after having gone to the style group, you choose the first style. Okay, this is how our headings are looking like in terms of the style that we have chosen. Okay, so this is the current formatting style that we have chosen in terms of our heading. Okay, now we're going to move right along to the next formatting, which is now adding the bullets, okay, into our subheadings. We are going to again click on our keyboard. We choose the Control button, and then click and drag to the right all the subheadings that we want to number them in terms of bullet. Okay, we're going to use the bullet numbering. I'm highlighting, click and drag to the right. Okay, all those that you want that they should be numbered in terms of this particular project. Okay, then go there and then choose the numbering. Okay, I have chosen the numbering. As you have seen that I've chosen the bullets in terms of numbering. We do that from the paragraph group. Okay, now I'm just decreasing the indent so that it goes to the left a little bit. Okay, but all the subheadings that I've chosen, they are now numbered. Okay, this is the formatting style that we want our history project to look like. Okay, all right, they are numbered. Now we're going to move to the next formatting style in terms of our project. Now we want to insert the cover page. We are going to go to insert on the menu bar, then we choose cover. Okay, cover page, we're choosing that one. Okay, that is the one that we're choosing, and then we're going to edit it to customize it to our current project. Okay, this is the history project. Okay, and this is an essay. Okay, so then I have typed there history essay. Okay, let me further customize that. Okay, this is for grade 12. All right, let me write just the name of the grade. Let me say grade 12. Okay, right. Let me scroll down to further customize some other areas of this particular cover page. Okay, the date, let me use today's date. All right, I've chosen the 26th of July, of which it is today's date. Then this project belongs to this particular learner. Let's just say that this is Gezani Sikuni. Okay, the project belongs to Gezani Sikuni. All right, as you can see, we're moving right along. And then the next formatting style that we're going to put in this particular project now is to insert the pages. Let's go to the insert ribbon. Okay, right there on the menu. Then we're choosing page. We want it at the bottom. Okay, we're going to choose number 4. Okay, so that we have the numbering. As you can see, when I scroll on my project, I can see that each and every page has been numbered. Okay, so this is what we want. You can click on close there on the menu bar on top, then you scroll just to look at how your project looks like now. This is the way it looks. All right, and then the next one, we're going to move right along and look at the issue of the alignment of this particular Word document, which is our history essay project. Okay, right, let's now introduce the next formatting style. We're going to click on Control A, which is going to highlight everything on our page or on our document. Then we're going to make sure that we go to the paragraph group and choose the alignment, which is justify. As you can see, I have justified all the text in this particular document in such a way that it is now looking the manner or on the manner how you can see it now. Okay, because all the text has been justified. So this is looking very good. Okay, let us now compare the before and after document by means of clicking on the Windows button on the keyboard and the right arrow on the keyboard. All right, it will allow us to have two documents adjacent to each other on the screen. As you can see, the one on the left is the before document, before we can introduce our formatting, and the one on the right, it is the way it looks currently after we have effected the formatting styles that we have put on the document. So you can see that the document on the right has been updated and it looks professional in the manner on how it has been formatted. All right, let's move right on the next step. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment on it, and also click on the subscribe button so that you can get notification whenever we release new videos in future. Thank you so much for your time.